Good evening. My name is Belishka Mari Gonzalez Rodriguez. This application was created to participate in the Congressional App Challenge of 2025 to 2026. Representing the District of Puerto Rico under the Resident Commissioner, Pablo Jose Hernández Rivera. The name of my application is HS, who stands for Hidradenitis Suppurativa. My backend application, I use Visual Studio Code, OpenCPy, and Python in the 12.8.2. And for the front end, I did use Android Studio and CareLink. Why did I create this app? Well, these chronic affections affect a lot of people and a lot of the population. And research from Harvard Medical School and the University of San Francisco in California have demonstrated that doctors who collaborate with human DX with WhatsApp platform that improve medical diagnosis with machine learning outperform individual doctors by 95% in making the correct diagnosis. Hidradenitis suppurativa represents a major breakthrough in the case of medical care for those who suffer from it. There is no specific test or diagnosis for hidradenitis suppurativa, and often doctors and dermatologists miss the diagnosis at the early stage. This condition affects 81% of women and 19% of men worldwide. The cause of the blockage were unknown, and it was caused by the formation of loops, abscess, and sinus tracts in the skin.
Now I'm going to show you how I create my backend. First of all, using trainmodel.py, having a 20% of validation and a 80% of train progress. We can see now the cert.py and we can find the APA. Now you will see the image processing, having this import of CV2 and the names I gave to the image, having a JPEG. Opening the command prompt to prove is my backend really working. Here we have an image of the Hidradenitis Suppurativa. Opening a CD of my backend file and a virtual environment, and here having the prediction of Hidradenitis Suppurativa in a 1.00. The meaning is that's 100% of prediction. Now we can see the Android Studio and what I did to code my front end with the main activity.kt. You're having the tabs, language, and all the static form of code. You can even put the information about Gmail name and password and then go to sync up and see the profile. You can see the black and white mode in the options. You can see the gallery. You can see 29 language of selections. And now we're going to see the notifications, reminders. You can even put a note for medical appointments.
Hidradenitis suppurativa looks like in normal locations. Thank you for your attention. These are my references.